I found a new way to make money with arbitrage on Binance. This new update, a video, then I came across this process. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell and like the video. First thing you need to do is have Binance account. This is where you will be able to do this trade. I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create account with Binance with the link in the video description I'm going to leave. After creating your account, then you need to buy BUSDT. No, you need to buy BNB, sorry. BNB. After buying BNB with dollar or USDT, you buy at this point, you buy two worth of BNB. That's going to give you 606.20 cents. So make sure you get this amount of money. After getting this kind of amount of USDT with this 2 BNB, then you just have to minimize. You will find this. You find the money over here in your wallet. Over here, you find the 2 BNB. Then come over here, press more. Then find this pair, BNB TRY. After finding this coin over here, if you remember this on BNB USDT pair, this was trading 303. This is when this thing came to play, like the way you'll be able to make money with this. So you just go to this button, then press sell. Then you will be selling your 2 worth of BNB you buy at 606.20 cents to Turkish currency. After sending this, you just need to sell this. You try to remember this figure, then copy. Maybe you are not living in you are not living in Turkey. Maybe you are not living in Turkey. How will you get account? How will you register for you to be able to have Turkish account to withdraw this money into? So you don't need to worry. You need to come to Wise account with this platform, wise.com. I'm going to leave the link in the video description so you won't be confused. Maybe you are on the right site or not. So over here, you'll be able to have over 175 account currency if you create one in one account. So you will have a local bank with this app. Once you create account with this, make sure you use the link in the video description for you to create your own account. And you remember I said the 2 worth of BNB to this Turkish currency over here. Then you'll be able to withdraw your funds from Binance. You have to make additional registration. You just have to withdraw your funds from this Binance to this Wise account. They will give you a local bank account, so you don't need to worry. You have this account, the Turkish account. So you said, I'm changing 1,788 Turkish currency to USDT. So right now, if you remember, our initial amount we invest was 606.20 cents. Right now, after changing this on this app, after changing it to dollar, we are getting 618.62 cents. So on this transaction, we actually make $12 on this trade, this one trade. Imagine you can do this frequently. Maybe you can do this 10 times a day or as much as possible. Like the guy that found this arbitrage opportunity, will just buy from United States, then sell it in China. This is how these things work. But if you want to make a lot of money, you have to use big amount of money. But at least $600 is kind of like a small amount. I won't say small, I will say it's normal. So you'll be able to make a decent profit with this kind of trade. So let me go to my calculator over here. I start with let me ramp it to 607. Then I bought this with 2 BNB. Then I sell it to Turkish Airlines to 788. Then I change it to 618, like the transaction fee. So I remove the cent. So as at now, minus the initial investment 6.2, that is going to be left with $11.08, 80 cents. Let's say we paid a transaction fee on this transaction, maybe deposit on. Mind you, if you want to once maybe I pay transaction fee on this process, just try to remove the 1.80 cents. So you'll be left with $10. So with this $10, you can do it 20 times a day. 20 times a day times 20, that is going to be $200. Making that a day is not that kind of easier, but there is this a way you can make this money. Like this how this arbitrage normally work. But if you want to make amount of money, if you don't want to do this 20 times in a day or 50 times in a day, in one transaction or two transactions a day, you'll be okay if you use like $10,000 or $2,000. So with this, you'll be able to make a lot of money with this kind of currency. So if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe with this channel and turn up your notification bell, and let me know what you think about this video in video description. Make sure you use the all link I've mentioned in this video in the video description. So thank you guys. I'm going to see you on the next video. And mind you, if you want to withdraw direct from the, and once you buy this currency on this platform, then you'll be able to withdraw. Let me press the currency over here, deposit.